Good morning. Welcome to another day at First Priority Landscape Solutions. I'm doing a landscape cleanup, remodel today, completely for free. Ran across this client. She called us in for a consult. Once I met her and realized her story, I realized that she is the reason why we're in landscaping, to serve other people. Faith, prayer, love, and service. Bed is prepped, getting ready for the new plant material. Wrapping up, putting in the chocolate brown mulch now. Complete transformation. Blessed to be able to serve our community outreach. How we doing, man?
Wow.
Good.
Okay. Oh, wow.
I have the irrigation system twice a day. I'll come back in 10 days and adjust. This is the first 10 days we will water twice a day.
Okay, yeah. Especially with
That is correct. Yes,
a lot
ma'am.
of things are like dying. And
It
it's
is.
like-
So we ran a actual drip line for each individual plant.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
So each plant has one of these and it's getting drip water.
Okay. And should we check this and stuff like that?
Oh yes, sir. You can if you want to. You can, no problem. Now, if you notice the plant looking different than the rest of them, let me know. It's probably going to be a watering issue, either too much or not enough water.
Okay.
Uh, these are varieties. Like they're the beautiful purple flowers. They're evergreen, beautiful plant, great border grasses. That's your existing azalea. We added another camellia there. We added, yeah, so the mat side over here. So that's this and that a mat. So you got a camellia right here too. Added your Gerber daisies, transplanted your irises over, added some Mexican petunias. These right here. They're dwarf, they're gonna be about 18 inches and a beautiful purple flower on them. Yes, ma'am, right here. Purple flower like that right there. It's gonna be about 18 inches. It's spread. You got one there, one there. Still have your rose in there. Yeah.
I wasn't sure if they were still alive after they were like weed eating into it. I was
Yeah,
like,
we transplanted them.
I have some questions about this.
Let's go.
This guy, is it safe to just chop him, or should we just let him just?
It wants to get about 8 feet tall, so I would just do more hand pruning if you want to do anything, more snipping at the top. You know what I mean? It's very, would not cut it way back because it's meant to be tall. And the more you cut back, you're going to cut off the blooms, as in, let me see, this is going to be the blooms. And so I'm putting out the flowers here this fall. That's got blooms on it there too. So if you cut that back, you won't get any blooms this fall.
Yeah, that would be
Yeah, so if you want to cut it back, you need to cut it back right after it blooms,
okay.
which would be like January, February.
I know we wanted to keep them off.
Yes, wait for it to bloom, then you'll cut it back. These are Gerber daisies. They come back every year, beautiful. You got two red Gerber.
So those are brand new.
Yes, ma'am. So they come back every year. Same with the Mexican petunia. They come back to every year. Everything we plant gonna keep coming back, keep coming back. It's not a one and done.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
That's perfect because
Yeah.
the one and done sort of causes problems.
It does. We want something that's gonna die back in the wintertime, come back in the spring or something.
Kind of interesting how South
Crazy.
Carolina. Yeah, thank you.
Well, you're welcome. If you have any questions, let us know, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
You have a good day, Ms. Genji.
Okay, you too.